Going to do a startup and interior function of my Factory 5 Cobra. Battery cutoff switch right there. Just turn the key. It has a safety switch on the clutch, so you have to depress the clutch. Oh, sorry, I turned the battery wrong way. That's the fuel pump. All gauges. So let's see. This is for the fans, but they do have a switch on the outside. I mean, they do have a switch where it comes on automatically. Let's see. Blinkers. It vintage air heat. It's the fan, and that's the heat. Let's see, wipers. What else? And let's see. That's the headlights. This is an interior light. Also has this, but I don't know how it works or if it works. Sony stereo. Little tweeters there, speakers, and there's speakers behind here. Let's see, horn. Car runs great. Shut it off and turn it back on for you again. Fans just kicked on. That's it. Good luck if you guys bid. Thanks for looking.